Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURAIN binti Nur Hisham from KSC2 and MSC4. Today I will be presenting about the topic of relation for the subject Discrete Mathematic. So to begin with, I am going to talk about the definition of relation, which is generally known as sets of ordered pairs, which the first set are called domain and the second one are called range. It is also known as a subset of the Cartesian product. So for this presentation, I will go through the properties of relation, example of relation, and also the application of relation. Properties and examples of relation. I am going to present 5 of the properties of relation, and the first one is universal relation. A relation are said to be universal when the set A are related to set B, as shown in the example. The set R, the relation R is A related to B, so R is a universal relation. And then for the complement relation, it is a relation that contains a set pair that do not belong to relation that but belongs to Cartesian product, which is the remaining set. As shown in the example, the relation complement RC are the remaining from the relation R. And then for the inverse relation, is relation donated by R power of -1, which is it is a same set of pair but written in a different order, or it is reverse, as shown in the example. Next, for the composite relation, a relation is known as composite relation when the relation connect for two or more relation for set more than 3 set, as shown in the example. Two relation R and S to connect 3 set, which is set A, set B, and set C. It is denoted by ROS for the connection of relation R and S. And then for the equivalent relations, a relation is called equivalence when it satisfied 3 properties, which is reflective, symmetric, and transitive in a set of X. As shown in the example, the relation of lines in the same town on a set of people living in Italy is an example of equivalence relation. For the application of relation, I am going to talk about the relation between students and their clubs. And then for the first set, set A, which is the set of students, we have Adam, Aiman, Auni, Ayuni, Badrul, and Balkis. And then for set B, we have for the club, we have chess club, recycle club, calligraphy club, and public speaking club. And R is a relation where each student can join at most 2 clubs. And then I assign Adam for calligraphy club and public speaking club, Aiman for recycle club, Auni for chess club and public speaking club, Ayuni for chess club, Badrul for calligraphy club, and Balkis for public speaking club. And this is the diagram for the relation. Another application of relation, I let X be a set of Lembah Kelang transit line, which contains KTM Seremban line, MRT Kajang line, LRT Ampang line, LRT Kelana Jaya line, and LRT Seri Petaling line. And then I let Y be a set of stops, which is the Ampang station, Maluri station, PWTC, Pudu, Mid Valley, Cochrane, Pasar Seni, and KLCC. And then R is a relation where train interchange occur. And then I find out the MRT Kajang line, the interchange train occur at Maluri, LRT Ampang line also at Maluri, and then LRT Ampang line at PWTC, and KTM Seremban line is also at PWTC. LRT Ampang line at Pudu, and LRT Seri Petaling line is also at Pudu. LRT Kelana Jaya line at Pasar Seni, and also MRT Kajang line is also at Pasar Seni. And this is the diagram of the relation between the transit line and the stops, and as shown, not all of set Y, not all of subsets in set Y are related to set X. For the conclusions, I found out that relations are useful when studying properties of things. There are plenty of areas in theoretical computer science that require the use of relations. In fact, a graph can be looked as a way of interpreting relations, and it is also help to handling objects that only considered distinct or separated in values. And then its application indeed can help bring different areas together, and cross-fertilization typically occurs. It serves as a bridge linking mathematics to communication and computing. That is all from me. Lastly, this is the references where I retrieve the information from. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.